Marketing research by a company has shown that the profit, P of X, in thousands of dollars made by the company is related to the amount spent on advertising, X, in thousands of dollars by the equation P of X is equal to 230 plus 20X minus 0.5X squared. What expenditure in thousands of dollars for advertising gives the maximum profit? What is the maximum profit? Well, notice that our function P of X is equal to 230 plus 20X minus 0.5X squared is a quadratic function. The leading coefficient is negative 0.5. Therefore, the graph of the quadratic function is a parabola that opens downward, and the maximum will occur at the vertex. So what we need to do is to find the vertex of the graph of this quadratic function. Let's first of all use our calculator to explore. We'll go to y equals to enter the profit function. We'll enter 230 plus 20x minus 0.5x squared. Next, we'll create a table of values. So first of all, go to Table Set, second window. We'll start with 0 thousands of dollars on advertising, and then we'll increment by $1,000 at a time. Then go to Table, which is second graph, and in the Y1 column we can see that the profit is increasing. We want to scroll through the table until we see that the profit reaches its maximum value and then starts to decrease. So we just use the down arrow key until we notice that the profit starts to fall. Notice that the profit reaches its maximum value of $430,000 when the amount spent on advertising is $20,000. We know that this is the maximum value because on either side of 430 we see matching values. We see 429.5 1 unit away from 20. We see 428 2 units away from 20. And 425.5 3 units away from 20. So we see this special symmetry which shows us that x equals 20 is the axis of symmetry, and therefore 430 is the vertex. Now without a calculator we could get the vertex using the vertex formula. The vertex formula states that the vertex of the graph of f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c with a not equal to 0 is the point minus b over 2a f of minus b over 2a. So to find the vertex, the first thing we might do would be to arrange the terms of our function so that we have the x squared term first, the x term second, and our constant term third. That gives us p of x is equal to negative 0.5 x squared plus 20x plus 230. Therefore, we can see that our a value is negative 0.5, our b value is 20, and our c value is 230. So to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, we use the expression minus b over 2a. We substitute 20 for b and negative 0.5 for a. We get negative 20 over 2 times negative 0.5. We can use our calculator to evaluate this expression. We get 20. Therefore, an expenditure of $20,000 for advertising gives the maximum profit. To determine the maximum profit, we evaluate P of 20. We get negative 0.5 times the square of 20 plus 20 times 20 plus 230. We use our calculator to evaluate this expression. The result is 430. P of x is given in thousands of dollars, so that means that the maximum profit is $430,000.